Hi friends, I am Mary from Mary Crochet. Today we are making this beautiful crochet flower hairpins. This is a beginner friendly pattern and very easy. So let's begin, but before, don't forget to subscribe to channel for more fun and easy tutorials. So let's begin. First we need to chain stitches up to 86. So 1 2 3 4, so we need the total count of chain stitches 86. So just keep crocheting. So here are 86 chain stitches completed. Alright, now we need a wire of size 0.5 mm. I have purchased this wire from Amazon UAE. Okay, now it's a very simple step to crochet this wire along the long chain that actually we have made. So just watch carefully how I have attaching the wire, just like this. All right, now simple, we'll do single crochet in each stitches across. Like we need one single crochet in one chain stitch. We are making this along with the wire. Just watch carefully. It's super easy. Actually, I'm using this wire in this project just to make the petal look more sturdy and firm, and it looks like good with the wire. So why not try this one? If you want, like if you don't want need the wire, or if you don't have the wire with you, so it's okay, you can make without it also, but I think with the wire it looks more pretty. So okay, see, we are just making single crochet in each chain stitches across along with the wire. All right, now we have reached to our end of the row. So okay, now it's time to cut the extra wire, and after cutting we will bend it back the chain stitch that we have make. Yeah, it's like this. Yes, like this. All right, now it's time to weave the ends. So very carefully cut the extra yarn or trim it and weave it. Okay girls, watch and listen carefully that what I am doing right now is just making the slip stitches in the opposite side of the chain. I'm doing this just to give it a more like finishing look. That's why. Just a simple slip stitch in each stitch across. That's simple. All right. Now watch carefully what I am doing. That's really, really interesting. What we will do is we will fold it. Yes, you hear right that we will fold it. The folded size is approximately 1 inches long. So just keep folding like I am doing right now. Good job. So girls, just keep folding. I will see you at the end. Alright, here I'll show you the measurement of this folded petal. We'll see it's approximately 1 inches long. Alright, now we need a needle and a yarn. So what I will do is just simply sew all the petals together. Just watch carefully what I'm doing. Yeah, just simple sew all the petals together nicely. Alright, now it's time to change the yarn color. What we need is to make magic ring, chain 1 and 10 single crochet in the magic ring. Okay, now we attach this tiny circle to our flower. So it's up to you. You want to like sew it or you want to use glue stick to secure it. It's up to you. So here I am just using my hook to make it secure. Okay, so here we will attach our hairpin to the flower. Even you don't need glue to secure it. See, it's just so simple like I did. See, it's all done. Ta-da! So your hairpin is ready. Finally, our hairpin's ready. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.